Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I hope you are doing great. I hope everyone is doing great. I hope everyone is doing great. So let's see if everything is up and running. Let's see if everything is up and running. Let me know if everything is clear on your side. I'm also trying to test that. Just tell me it's okay. Then we can continue. We were just smashing gold. in the group. We were just smashing gold. So just let me know. Let me just refresh this because it seems like not making sure. Let me close this thing. Okay, I see someone says okay. We were just smashing gold, guys. So yeah, let's see. Let me just try to test this on my phone. Eddie, how are you, man? I hope you're doing great. Rich son, how are you? I'm doing good. Just let me know if maybe everything is clear on your side. Let me know if everything is clear on your side, right? So that we can continue. The market is about to open. I hope everyone is doing good. Let's see. Is everything okay? It seems like everything is good. Oh, I forgot to plug the cable. Let me plug the cable. 2 minutes, 2 seconds, I'll be done. Yeah, if everything is fine, I think everything is fine on my side. Let me write this and see if maybe it's on. If maybe everything is on. I'm just writing this on my... Okay. Seems like everything is fine. So, I hope you're doing great, guys. I hope you are doing great. I can see there is Eddie. How are you, man? And okay, I see doing great. I hope you're doing great. Kat, how are you, man? Yeah, it seems like everything is good. So, guys, we were just smashing gold, né? We were just smashing gold. Very nice, by the way. So, but this was just a very quick, it was just a scalping trade. So I told my people to actually to close this. But even yesterday, we had a very great trade. So now we're just waiting for US30 and NASDAQ. So on US30, I'm expecting to see maybe today the market might go up from this area. To me, that area, it looks like a very nice support area. So I'm expecting to see a very nice push. So I will be placing that notification. I see. Let me just mention everyone here. So buy or sell. Come on, man. We just here. I see Kat. Is this live, bro? Yes, it's a live stream. Kulpari, how are you? I hope you're doing great. Gold will go more. Okay, will go up more. Okay. Slash, Kenzo, how are you? I'm doing great, man. We just smashed a gold, guys. We just smashed gold. So now we're just waiting for US30 and NASDAQ. So gold to us, it's something that we can actually see that it's already high. So I don't think maybe there is much that we can do here. There is nothing much we can do around that. So yeah. So any pairs that you want me to check, I will be checking DXY dollar index. Obviously, I'm expecting a very nice sell. The market did try to go actually higher, but when we check this area, it's actually a very nice area that we can say it's just touching our. It's actually a retest. Do you see that? The market just retested here, so I'm expecting a very nice sell. I'm expecting a very, very, very nice sell. Let me see someone. Actually, I'm expecting to see something. Let me see. No matter what, it's a sell for us. Okay. I think Spiwe or whatever. We're not here to play. Let me hide you from my channel. Your time is up. Bye-bye. We'll see you on the next one. So, yeah, on DXY, it's a very nice structure. The market just actually retesting. G-Man, how are you? So we can easily see that the market is just retesting here. So I'm expecting to see a very nice continuation of that. But remember, we don't really have economic news today, this week, which are very aggressive. So the market might be quite slow. The market will be quite slower. But just know, even though the market is quite slower, we are actually on a downtrend. At the moment, the market will be starting to downtrend. We're expecting to see the market going down. Why? Because we are just getting out of that uptrend and the market just broke out, which means we're expecting to see the market going down. Do you see that? We expect to see the market continuing going down, and that will mean we will see some very nice structures from gold and NFPs and NASDAQ 100 or Euro USD. We will be expecting to see some very nice structures going further. So gold, it's been going up for quite some time. So, but since we're no longer on this gold, we can't do anything. We have to check if US30 is going to give us a very nice move, or maybe NASDAQ. NASDAQ already it's selling. We will see what will happen once the market opens. Let's hope that we're going to have a proper buy. I am expecting to see a nice reversal. I'm expecting to see a nice reversal. So yeah, you can let me know, guys, which pairs do you want me to check? Which pairs do you want me to check? I will be checking out of all those pairs. I see check AUD CAD. Check AUD CAD. AUD CAD. Let me check that. GBP JPY. I think I'll just add everything here actually, because it seems like I'm adding this every week. It's AUD CAD. Let's see that. AUD CAD. So let's see. So on USD CAD, what's really happening? First thing first, you know that we have to go on a bigger time frame and see if maybe we have a proper structure. Yeah, to me, this is a proper uptrend. You can see that the market is trying to do what? Going from the bottom side, or we can start it from here. It's actually going up. So that to me, it's clear. So I feel like this needs to be cleared. I think I did take time to do some analysis here. Yeah, that's good. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go here, actually on a 4 hours time frame, and do this analysis on AUD Canada. And yeah, I think we have, let's see. So this is what we have. We are going to connect these areas. Obviously, these areas, they will be showing us a proper uptrend structure. I like what I see here because it seems to be quite obvious. it looks to be quite obvious, quite it's simple and straightforward. So this is what we have. I'm going to use double lines there. Copy that. This is what we have. Do you see that? So at the moment, since this is a 4 hours time frame, you will see structures like this here. So where the market is, it's actually on the resistance side. So as we are on an uptrend, we can expect the market to reverse on the support or break out of that, so we can actually buy. So I will just draw only few. I will draw only few. I will check GBP JPY and Euro JPY, don't worry. Let's see. So this is what I see at the moment. So which means if we go closer, you can see that the market is already a little bit higher. You can't just jump on that unless if maybe the market tries to break out, then you can buy. But I feel like the market has to come back around the support before we look for that buy. Do you see that? I hope you do see that. I hope you see that. So let's go straight to Euro, to GBP JPY. I think they were already going up. GBP JPY, it was already very high. Let's see. GBP. Yeah, GBP JPY. So GBP JPY, it's been on a very nice uptrend structure. You can see that it's been going up. But where we are, obviously, the market just broke out of that structure, this highest level, which it was actually our resistance area. Do you see that? So now we just expect a continuation of that buy. Do you see that? Because this was the highest level that we had, and it was actually a potential resistance, but it seems like the market is moving away from that. So which means we are continuing to do what? To see a proper buy. You see that? So we expect the market to continue going up. I think this one, to me, it's straightforward, but it's already high. It's very high. So a reversal can also happen. A reversal can also happen. But where we are, it seems like the market is out. Maybe this will be a proper retest before we see a very nice push. I hope that it's clear. I hope that it's clear. The market is opening. I hope the market is NFP. It will be on the first week of every month. So obviously it's gonna be next month. You can check the calendar. You can check the calendar. So Euro JPY, what's really happening on Euro JPY? Quite similar to GBP JPY. The market structure has been going up for quite some time. You can see that. So the market has been going up for quite some time now. So what we have now is the market just touched this resistance. So we expect the market to go up or down, but it's up to the market. So let's go closer and see what's really happening. Let's go closer. So as this, it's actually on an aggressive uptrend. We can easily see that the market did touch this level as a resistance, but where we are, it shows us a nice breakout. So the market can continue going even higher. I hope you see that. I hope you see that. So I'm expecting to see a nice push. If the market is going to respect this level, we might see a very nice push. Unless if maybe the market decides to go even lower. But the biggest structure here is we are on this nice uptrend structure. Do you see that? I hope you see what I'm trying to show you. So that's what it's really happening at the moment. So any pairs do you want me to check? At the moment, the market is about to open. We are going to check NASDAQ and other pairs before, because that are actually our everyday pair. This is what we trade, or this is what I trade like almost every day. So let's see. It seems like NASDAQ is trying to go a little bit lower. Maybe the market will be reversing around the support area. We can see the market gave us something like that. So maybe we might have something like that. Remember, we have Nvidia earnings tomorrow. That maybe will be changing. This type of a move might start to give us some changes tomorrow. So now we will be on NASDAQ and US30. It seems like US30 will end up going up, but I like the structure here. We can see that the market has been struggling around this level. It has been respecting this level, so I'm expecting a very nice push. So yeah, we will see what will happen. Let me just remove this. Let me just remove that. NASDAQ. The market just opened, by the way, so we want to see what will happen. So don't expect much, especially when we don't really have economic news. Sometimes the market can move quite slower. So Bitcoin analysis, I will check that, and Euro USD, I will also check that. So let's see. Let's see what we have. Euro USD. So this is Euro USD. What's happening? So I like the structure here. I think it's quite straightforward. So after we had a nice breakout, we can easily see that the market broke out here. So we're expecting the market to do what? To actually continue going high. So we have a smaller resistance on top there. But this level is where the market broke out. So which means there is enough chance for the market to come around this level and retest or touch that before going higher. But it seems like the market will be respecting this type of a structure. If that continues, it means we might have a nice consolidation structure before we go up. But just know that now we're no longer on this downtrend structure. It means we expect the market to keep going even higher. So the market might consolidate, but at the end of the day, we're expecting to see a very nice push to the upside. Do you see that? That's what I'm expecting at the moment. So USD CHF, I will be checking that also. Let me check that also. See. So here we are on Euro USD. We expect the market to continue going up, but I think I should be drawing something like this so that we can see that the market is also respecting that level. Do you see that? The market is also respecting this level. So we might see the market going even higher. So let's see. USD CHF, Bitcoin. I think the big week on the Euro USD was just some liquidity grab. I don't see a bigger week, or maybe you're talking about. Let me go on 1 hour. No, I don't think so, because I think the market was just trying to reach this level. It was there before, so the market was just reaching that level of a support before reversing. So I think it was just an area where the market was supposed to respect. So to me, I think it's quite normal. So USD CHF, let's see USD CHF. USD, where is USD? So let's see this on a bigger time frame. USD CHF, what's really happening? Okay. Okay, so USD CHF is a very nice one here. The market was going down, which means CHF or Swiss franc, it was quite stronger. Then after that, we saw the market trying to break out. You can see here we have several touches here. Then after that, we see a nice breakout. So we can say the market is no longer on that downtrend structure because the market is trying to break out here. So which means the structure that we have, it's actually the start of an uptrend, but we need to be extra careful because the market just broke out here and already the market is now reversing. So we can say the market is retesting around this level. So we can say let's buy above this level. Once the market breaks out of this area, it's where I feel like it's gonna be a very nice buy. But if maybe the market is struggling around this area, we might see a continuation of that sell. That is possible. That is possible. But at the moment, we can easily say, yes, the market is coming from a nice downtrend structure. The market was downtrending. We can see something like that. So now we have a nice breakout, a nice retest. But for us to have a proper buy, let's wait for the market to break this level. Then we can say that will be a very nice buy. You see. So yeah, I hope maybe you understand. So Cat Clement, I want you to count me in. I don't really understand what you mean when you say count me in. So anyways, I think that makes sense. USD/JPY, I think I did not really check USD/JPY. Okay. USD/JPY. On USD/JPY, I like what I see here. We are still on that nice uptrend structure. And I think we reached a level where we can call it a resistance. You can see the market has been going up very nice. So, but where we are now, we are on a nice level that we can just call it a resistance. So maybe the market will end up going even lower, reaching this support area. And then from there, it's where maybe we can say we can buy, or maybe above that area, we can look for a very nice buy. At the moment, I don't think maybe we need to entertain this because I don't really look for sell positions on an uptrend structure. So which means I rather wait for the market to break out of this resistance here. Then I can look for a buy above that. Or maybe let's wait for I can just wait for the market to reach this support area before I look for another buy. So to me, I think that is actually straightforward. I don't really have to do anything. It's better for us just to wait for a nice resistance. I hope everything is quite clear. I hope everything is quite clear. So I don't think maybe we're gonna have much today. I think tomorrow it's where things start starting to go crazy. This week we don't really have enough of economic news. From tomorrow, I think it's where things will start to happen. So gold, it seems to be trying to go even higher. We smashed this very nice. This seems to be a very nice one here. I don't really see a reversal at the moment. Maybe the market will end up reaching that level as the market moves like this. You see that? So I'm expecting that also, but we are already in a deep profit, so there's no point trying to jump in there. So we can just wait. We can just wait. So today, actually this week, I can say it's going to be a quite slower. It's going to be a very quite slow, especially when we don't really have any economic news. Sometimes it's a good thing because we are going to focus on our technical structures here and there. But at the end of the day, we can see that the market is quite slow, you see. So that's what's happening at the moment. Benedict, how are you, Ben? I hope you are doing great. I hope you are doing great. So guys, you know what what I'm going to do here is on our live sessions later on, let's say before the market close and stuff like that, we will also be having some TikToks here and there. Sorry, our live sessions, but I want to have other live sessions on TikTok, right? So the best thing that you can do is to try it. You can just actually be in our free group. Once we go live, I will be updating everyone in the free group because I will be sharing the link. So sometimes I think it's quite clear, it's quite easy to go live than to go on YouTube, you see. So, but anyways, I will be updating everyone. Not every day, by the way. Not every day. Let's see. So US30 is still struggling to move around. We are still on this nice support. But I'm expecting to see a nice bullish move. If that doesn't really happen, it means maybe the market will be quite slower for now or for this week. But tomorrow, Nvidia is going to release their earnings, and that can be actually good. That can actually be good. So, but I like the fact that the market is just going to be quite slower. We can actually apply our technical analysis and stuff. And if maybe there is something, then we can just follow that. Very nice. So it seems like this week, the one that is going to move is actually gold. Gold has been just going up and down. We did also have a US oil, a trade, but this stop loss was a little bit closer. I did adjust mine, as I don't know if maybe everyone was able to make enough profit on that, or maybe the market ended up touching their stop loss. Just let me know on the comment section if maybe you were still holding US oil, or maybe the market did touch your stop loss. But the overall structure, we were on a very nice bullish move. We were on a very nice bullish downtrend. Sorry. I'm mixing the things. We were on a very nice downtrend structure, not bullish move. So the market was still on, even now, we are still on this nice downtrend structure. And I'm still expecting to see a continuation of that. But at the moment, we just have to relax and see if maybe we will see a breakout on the support area. If we see a breakout, obviously we will see the market continuing with this sell. So I wanna go private with you and figure something on my side. Okay, that's good. That's good. Another thing is we will be also going live with our members only in the group. So if you are a member of this YouTube community, we will also be going live together. So, but mostly when we have nice stuff happening like news, if we have some economic news, let's say maybe we have CPI or retail sales or NFPs, we will have some short actually live sessions together. But we're still gonna have the public ones, but because you guys, you are actually helping the channel to grow. I mean, people who actually are part of membership here on YouTube, I will be trying my best to have enough sessions with you going further. So at the moment, it seems like we just need to just wait and see what will happen. I don't really expect any crazy move on NASDAQ, or maybe I don't really expect any crazy move on NASDAQ or US30, but I think we will find something on US30. US30 is still actually on a lower level, even though, yes, the market has been going up, but I feel like we are on a support area. And if maybe we try to force this support area, I think it will end up making sense. You see something like that. So I'm expecting to see a very nice bullish structure there. But where we are, it's a very nice support area. I think we might have a very nice structure, and that structure might keep going even higher. So if maybe we check DXY, maybe it will confirm with us. Let's see. Okay. DXY, dollar index seems to be dollar index seems to be playing around. We can see a nice breakout, but now the market is just playing around this resistant area. So once the market moves away from there, it's where we might see maybe some very nice bullish structures on US30, gold, and maybe S&P, also NASDAQ 100. So, but at the moment, I think we just have to wait and see. So yeah, please guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe, like, share with your friends. So let's see. You can also share the live session link so that we can have enough people. So at the moment, I don't really see much here, but I'm expecting to see a very nice continuation of that sell. That will actually help us to see some very nice structures and some reversals actually like on US30. So US30 seems to be trying to go up. Do you see that? Let's go maybe on a smaller time frame. It seems like US30, it will be going to the upside. But it's not really surprising because we are on this nice support area. So which means we might see something like that happens. But don't just jump on that. Have a trade little bit above this support because the market can just play around this level. So that's what I see at the moment. I will just place this notification here. Once the market crosses above that level, then we will then jump on that. So I already sent this in the group. So you can also, if maybe you want to jump on this one, you can just also do that on your own. Around 9861, it's where we are going to look for our entries around this level. So, and another thing is, once we, as I said, we will be going on our live sessions. We are going to go live on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursdays, but this will always change. I will just update everyone. But I also think about going live on YouTube, on TikToks, but I will also update you in our free group. So if you are not actually in our free group, check our description. You will find a free link to my Telegram. So every time we go live, I will be updating everyone, you see. So yeah, now let's see what's happening on S&P. Yeah, I don't really think we're gonna have any crazy move today. I don't really expect that. S&P 500 is still actually also around the same level, still consolidating. So this is what we see. So this is what we see. So at the moment, the market seems to be trying to go towards our support area on S&P 500. So I think something like this, if it touches this area, we'll be expecting to see a very nice buy. Yes, it's possible. The market is already very high or already quite higher. We can see that we have a very nice bullish structure, but we are far away from this support area. So there is a chance that the market can still break anything here and go even lower, you see. So on the Nvidia earnings, it doesn't really affect currency pairs. It affects only stocks, mostly tech stocks. Remember, Nvidia it's actually in NASDAQ 100 and also S&P 500. So which means it's gonna only affect these two, not really on currency pairs or DXYs or any other pair, unless if maybe that it's a stock or index. So we're not gonna get anything from that. So only NASDAQ, S&P 500, also here and there US30, but not really that much. I hope that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. So yeah, we are just waiting. We are just waiting. We are just waiting. So today, guys, let's just relax. I don't think maybe we're gonna have any proper trades. The market seems to be very weak, but it's normal when we expect some high impact news. Just know that we are, once we expect the news, the market might be quite slower. And don't force to trade, because the market will just hold you the whole day up to a point where you will end up closing. And most likely you might end up closing with some negatives, and we don't really want that, right? So yeah. So, and on S&P 500, I think I see something like that. I think we're gonna have these consolidations for now until tomorrow. And let's see the other ones. Let's see the other ones. NASDAQ is still playing games, but I'm expecting it to reach this level for going up. And those earnings, they're not going to be like during the day. So once the market closes, they're going to release them. So actually, it's going to be early Thursday. It's where maybe we're going to see some very nice push. So, but if maybe the market will be around this level, I will be telling my people what to do. Maybe we can have buy pending orders or holding trades, because maybe we'll be expecting some serious spike or jump or gap in the market. And if maybe the market gives us a positive gap, let's just imagine if maybe we find the market here, because the market might actually gap in a positive way, because I'm expecting Nvidia to beat the estimates, and that can be a very good thing. That can be a very good thing. But for now, we can just wait and see. For now, we can just wait and see. So we're just waiting. So who? I hope my people did smash gold. Who did smash gold, guys? Did you eat on gold yesterday, or maybe even today? Because we did have some gold trades. Who did smash gold? We can see where it is. Obviously, I don't really expect anyone to keep holding gold at the moment, because I feel like we're gonna have some reversals here and there. But we did smash it yesterday. Earlier, we just said we should just scalp that, and even now we are still in that profit. But I don't really expect anyone to jump on the market there. Taban, yeah, we did well. Okay, that's great. I see someone, Taban said we did well on gold. Anyone who did smash gold? Anyone who smashed gold yesterday or even today? I just want to see if maybe my people are eating. Then while we're still waiting, let's try to check what's really happening on DXY. Okay, DXY seems to be trying to play around. It seems to be trying to go up. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Oh, Martin smashing gold. Okay, that's great. That's great. Yeah, so I'm not alone there. My people are smashing. My people are smashing gold, which is good, guys, which is actually good. And for those who wants to be part of the team, here we have our signal services or packages. So you can pause the video, and if you want to be part of the team, you can just let me know. So let's go back. Let's go back on DXY. DXY seems to be trying to test this resistance. So let's hope that we're not going to see a breakout, because if we see that, we are going to see some serious sell on other pairs, and that is not going to be good. So we're just waiting for the market to do what, to show us that it's respecting this level of resistance. And if it respects that, we will see a reversal, and that will be actually good, because we will able to do what, to keep our sell positions. So yeah, that's what we see at the moment. So let's see the other ones. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that like, subscribe. So Gbpusd, we had this trade for quite some time. I don't know if maybe my people are still holding, but here we also had a very nice trade, but the market is still struggling to go even higher. But this area is where we wanted to reach. Around this level, we can see that maybe the market is respecting that level or is struggling to break. But we're not going to just get out because of this area. Why? Because this zone here, it was actually on a downtrend structure. We were going down. So now we changed that. We are expecting to do what? We're expecting to see a nice uptrend structure. So what happens inside this structure stays in the structure. Whatever that is going to happen here, the market will notify us or show us whatever that happens. If the market wants to create a resistance, we will find that. If the market wants to create a support, we will also see that. And we're not going to confuse ourselves with looking at every structure that happened previously. But at the moment, we are still smashing Gbpusd. Let's see what we can get. Maybe what's actually happening on Europe. Europe is now going down. USD JPY, it's going a little bit lower, but it's on a very nice structure, actually a nice support. So because we're expecting to see the market going higher, we can see that we are coming from a very stronger downtrend. After we had that breakout, we expect the market to do what? To continue going even higher. Do you see that? I hope you see that. I hope you see that. So I'm not expecting any proper or aggressive move. So I think we will be going on these live sessions, especially when we have some serious economic news happening, so that we can have some trades or have some signals that we can actually have. But we are not forced to have signals, guys. If there is no opportunity, remember that opportunity won't just present themselves now and then. So just know that. Just know that. But what we see here is on US30, we are on a support, expecting to see a very nice push. But it's possible anything can happen there. So, but something like this can work in our favor, or can work very nice, because just to know that we are still on an uptrend. Where we are now, let's hope that the market is going to touch that level. And if it touches that level, we'll see what will happen. So for now, let's just relax and just see what is happening. As we did smash gold, it's fine. I think now we will be focusing on this US30 and see if maybe we're gonna get something. We're expecting to have something here, so I will just pause on my microphone. Then we'll just wait and see. Hi, do you have a course, not only signals? Yes, we have a mentorship program, which is $350 for 6 months. 3 months learning, another 3 months for practicals. So, Kat Clement, I want to talk to you, brother. You just WhatsApp me, man. Check my description. I think you will find my WhatsApp link. Then you can just talk to me there. Or maybe I can just show you this. You can just copy my WhatsApp there. My WhatsApp, you can just talk to me there. Then you will explain to me because you're saying that you want to talk to me. So yeah, we are on US30. We're just still waiting. We are still waiting. Maybe something good will happen. It seems like the market will be trying to go even higher. Maybe the market will be trying to go even higher. So NASDAQ, let's check NASDAQ if maybe it's also reversing. Okay, it's playing games with us. It seems to be trying to reverse. But we will buy above this area. We'll buy above that area. But we know very well on NASDAQ that we don't really expect enough or crazy moves. To me, it's not really a problem. We know why the market is moving like that. So on S&P, S&P is still also fine. You can see here. So that to me, it's also a consolidation structure. So I won't participate here unless if maybe the market comes towards my support area, or if maybe the market breaks out, it's where we're gonna look for that buy. DXY, why is it going up? Why is it going up? Okay. But this seems to be quite familiar with our previous move here. I think we will end up seeing the market going down. I think that is something that we are going to see. So it means we're gonna just wait here on US30. On US30, obviously, we expect the market to go higher. But we don't really have a nice support structure here because this is very, very, very steep. So we can't do anything. So we're just waiting for the market actually to start to give us proper structures before we draw a nice connecting structure. At the moment, this is crazy aggressively on that uptrend, so we can easily draw that. But on US30, we might have a very nice buy. Yeah, I think this is straightforward. I think with this structure here, we just want to see if maybe it's going to respect this on DXY. If it can respect that, I think it's going to be easier for us to understand. I think it's going to be easier. We can see that we did have an aggressive sell the time we had NFPs and CPIs. We can see a breakout here. So now the market is just playing around here, but we want it to go lower. But where we are still safe. The market is not really breaking anything, but it seems like it's trying to go higher. So let's hope maybe it's a retest. If it's a retest, it's fine, because we might end up seeing the market creating something like that, you see. So, but for now, we can just wait. And since we don't really have economic news, yeah, this can be quite slow. It's going to be quite slow, very slow to see any proper moves. US oil, I don't know if my people did smash this one, because we had a crazy reversal on US oil, but the overall structure, it was correct, because we were expecting to see the market going even lower. US oil, we're celebrating here. 2 days in a row, we've been eating here. Another one, US30, hoping to see a nice bullish structure here, because the market seems to be respecting the support area. So, yeah. On my description, on every video that I have on this channel, there is a description. You can find my WhatsApp link. Click that, it will just take you straight to my WhatsApp. Or I think you can pause the video. Pause this video, you will find my contact. If you check down there, there is my WhatsApp WhatsApp number. Use that to talk to me. Pause this video and you can see that. So yeah, I think that is quite straightforward, I guess. Our US30 is trying. US30 is trying. So it seems like it's trying to go higher. It will be trying to go higher. We expect to have a buy pending order. We expect a buy pending order. Let's see. Okay, so US30 is trying to go up. It's fine. We will see it if maybe this will continue. What about NASDAQ? Okay, NASDAQ is also trying to reverse. Maybe we will see a breakout very soon. Okay, that will be great. S&P. Okay, S&P is also trying to have a proper move, but yeah, this is not. It's still very far. This is still very far. Oh, sure. Yeah, so it means the one that actually paid enough, it's gold. The other ones, they are still playing games. Other ones are still playing games. Yeah, I think I did send this signal in the group, so we're expecting to have a very nice buy. Once the market triggers our trend, our pending order, which is around this area, it's where we're supposed to be in a trade, and we're expecting to eat from there. And it seems to be doing that. Do you see that? It seems to be going in that direction. Let's push, let's push, let's push. This is US30. This is US30. This is US30. So US30 is now trying to go even higher. US30 is now going up. Let me see. I hope I did send this. Yeah, I did send that. I did send that. So yeah, I'm hoping that we are now triggered in that order. So now we expect the market to go in our favor. So yeah, it's up to the market. It's up to the market. It's not up to us. We don't really control the market. So yeah, but we are in a smaller, we are actually just entered the, our order is just triggered. So we'll see if maybe we're gonna get enough move. Let's see. Okay, it's going nice. Let's see, let's wait and see. So today, guys, we are not going to be here very, very, very long. Also, with expected rates cut and inflation cooling, fundamentally, it's a real motivation. Yes, that is actually, even technically, because mostly we will start to see our technicals are now mostly anything that is going against the dollar, it's uptrending. Anything it's uptrending. If we go on gold has been going up. This is a very nice trend. If we go on Gbpusd, they are now going higher. It shows that they are gaining that momentum. Euro USD, it's also now no longer on that downtrend structure. Anything actually is performing very well. So AUD USD, let's see, they are now also on this nice uptrend structure. So it shows that mostly majority of these pairs which are going against the dollar, they're now gaining that momentum because dollar it's expected to be weak after they cut the rates. I hope you understand that. So now our DXY seems to be trying to reverse, but we need a serious reversal so that we can start to see some proper moves, especially on US30 and NASDAQ. We're expecting something like that to happen. But for now, maybe the market will be just playing around here. And we don't really have catalyst this week. We don't really have economic news which can move the market that crazy. Maybe next week. Maybe next week it's where we're going to start to see those type of moves. Maybe next week is where we're going to see those type of moves because it's going to be a new week. And that week is going to be the end of this month. And that end of the month, it might start to have new economic news. And that will actually rejuvenate the movement of these markets. But I like the fact that now we see very well that the dollar is no longer having that crazy momentum. So which means slowly we will see the market going down. Slowly we will see the market losing that momentum. Do you see that? I hope that makes sense. So guys, I think today we don't really have much. So around 5:15 in 5 minutes, we can call it a day. Just know that we are still going to include TikTok live sessions because I think they are quite easy. And yeah, we are going to do that. So the best thing that you can do is try to be in our free signal group. So once we go live, it's where I will be posting the link for our live sessions, and we can just relax there and just see if maybe we can have some trades or not. As long as we can have some updates about the market, that will be something that we can actually do, right? Or maybe let me try to share my TikTok link so that once we go live, you can easily get that. I don't know if you guys, you will actually need that. I don't know. Let me see. Let's see. Where do I share? Invite. Okay. I want to invite friends so that I want to copy the link. I don't know where do we copy the link. Okay. I don't really know how to use this thing. You know what, guys? I think you will just join my free signal group. From there, it's where you can oh no, I think I got it. So from that username, you can actually get my channel. Or the best thing that you can do is to, on my free channel, whenever I go live, you will find that. So Xtrahot Forex, I think, is quite easy. So yeah, but slowly we'll just try to do that, like mostly during the weeks, and see if maybe it's gonna push. But anyways, now I think it's going to be a nice time for us to call it a day. In few minutes, the market is not really moving that much. Gold is the one that actually paid the bills this week. It's moving very nice. Since last week, we've been smashing gold. So US30, maybe this might actually give us some very nice move, but I don't really expect much from US30. The nice moves, they will be starting from tomorrow, going even further. But I like the fact that we don't really have any negative news that can affect the stock market at the moment. So NASDAQ, nothing much. So yeah, I think it's good, guys, for today. For today, we can just maybe call it a day. We don't really have much. So give yourself a time to smash that subscribe button, like. You can share the links with other people so that once we go live again, even tomorrow, we're still gonna go live. We can have enough participants. But anyways, thank you very much, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Don't forget to watch the daily analysis. They also help, guys. They also help actually to take the right decisions, especially when you trade every day or if you are a day trader. I hope that makes sense. So anyways, guys, thank you very much. We can just call it a day. Bye.